Good morning, chickens. Good morning, chickens. Sorry I'm late. Yeah. Yes. Looky down. Good girl, thank you. Good girl, my Annie, yes. Good girl, Annie. Yes. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Annie. Good girl, Annie. Good girl, Annie. Good girl, Annie, Boach, Annie. Yeah. Annie, Boach, Annie. Yeah. Ready, Missy? Missy, moo. Switch you guys out. Good sheep. Yeah. Right. Thank you, Annie, Mama. Thank you, Annie, Mama. Good sheep. Yeah. It takes me so long to go back through all of my footage. I film way too many things that end up getting thrown out. Like 99% of the footage that I record never gets uploaded. And that is just too ridiculous to try to go back through and make these videos. So I'll try to just do clips, but then if I do that, then I'll be concentrating on what would make good clips or whatever instead of what I'm doing and learning, because everything that I'm doing, I'm filming is pretty much a learning process. So for me to be separating myself from that learning process to think about how it would, like, what parts of it would be best to convey to you guys is like, even more difficult to do. So I don't know what we're gonna do in the future, but editing these videos, filming doesn't slow me down, it's the editing that slows me down. I know that other YouTubers have video editors. I don't know if I would be able to do that, but that'd be cool. If I could find someone who could edit the videos for me, if I could learn how to make enough money off of this. Good sheep, all right. Good sheep, yeah. Ready, one last time. Switch over. Good sheep, yeah. Good girl. Good girl. You're such a quick learner. You're a smart one. Good girl. Now if we could just get your hooves in shape, you'll be perfect sheep. She came with really messed up hooves. Because their hooves were so neglected for so long, they grew to where they tilt to the outside. And yeah, it's not good for efficiency of running. What a good sheep. Thank you, Mama. I just give her attention for a good 5 minutes because I don't have any raisins or anything. I haven't had raisins for days or anything to treats wise, so you got to give them like 3 or 4 times as much attention on those occasions. Make it worth it. Oh yes, thank you, Mama. Good sheep. 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 This is my butter. I keep it upside down for any remaining milk that's left in the butter to drain, and then I just open it up. And this is my light cream. Light cream is good for drinking. Heavy whipping cream is good for making butter. Right, finally got lamb and dumplings. Lamb, sprouted wheat dumplings, rice, and onions and celery. And my sheep's cream. Thank you, God. Dehydrating my low-fat cheese. It dehydrates a lot more efficiently when I separate the cream out, the butter fat beforehand. This is so amazing. I have a cream separator, manual cream separator now, and I have 3 different thicknesses, richnesses of cream. Good sheep. This is a little thicker. Had it in the fridge for like just since this morning. And it's so thick. But this was heavy. It's so thick it has a layer of butter on top. That's crazy. Let me taste this. This is seriously rich. It's really tasty, actually. Yeah, cream is something else. And this is the only meat that I have left for my ram lamb, except for his 4 legs. I have his 4 legs in my other freezer in my friend's pump house. This is from boiling his whole body, his ribs and everything, all night under my bed. I think I've eaten all of this rice dish. This is like the 3rd meal. It looks like I'm gonna get 4 meals out of it. All right, got my last bowl of lamb and dumpling. It's weird. This miner's lettuce is bitter. Oops. Side. That is one. Batter that whole thing. I got here, got a lamb burger. Lamb burger. Or a lamich. Man, these keens suck. What a bummer. Man, at least I could walk in them when it was split here and I was able to duct tape that. But now this, how am I going to get this to have more Gorilla Tape? I'm going to tape it, fold it over this. Hopefully that can stick. Right, my neighbor gave me his old Keens. Hopefully the sole stays on them. These are high tops. I haven't had a pair of high tops this high. I don't know, since I was a kid. Oh, but I already made some doormat sandals. And so, yeah, I'm just wearing these because I had already made them to replace those other blown out Keens. And it's getting hot out. It's getting nice and warm out. And these are way too warm. And it's weird walking in boots. I mean, it's weird walking in shoes, period. You can't walk up off your heels like the original way that humans started walking. You gotta walk on your heels with boots. It's weird. Weird. Yay, happy feet. Got my doormat sandals with some Some bungee. Super comfy. Yeah. I love it. Lightweight. I could take it off, slip it on in a second, and that inspires me to go barefoot more. When you have shoes on that have to be tied, even if you make them loose enough to slip on and slip off, if you're wearing them with socks, then that's going to discourage you from slipping them off and taking that extra step to take off your sock so you can put your foot on the ground. But as it is right now, I don't even need to use my hands to go barefoot. So these sandals are perfect for acclimating my feet to become more rough in the spring season after they've been cooped up in a shoe all winter and become baby soft. So I can't go into being barefoot as practically without these transitionary, super thin minimalist sandals. My doormat sandals. I cannot believe that no one has thought to subvert the average doormat that is just being thrown out, wasted. Every single business has a corporate contract that brings them new rugs, like constantly, that are clean, and those companies discard the doormats that start to get old, start to crack, or get a stain on them or something like that. So there's like a whole industry to be able to upcycle doormats into awesome sandals. A whole industry that could be made out of upcycling doormats into these awesome, beautiful sandals. If these ewes aren't pregnant, then they go into heat, and his mind is not on pulling the wagon, and he goes literally like, it's hard to get him to even want to pull the wagon. He is just wanting to turn around and address the ewes right now. He's going like 1/4 the speed that he normally does. He's actually doing a lot better this time around than last month. He was not wanting to pull at all. Like, I could not get him to pull. I actually had to put him in the back and use him as a driving force, because he was trying to get at the back of the ewes, so that drove them forward too, and they helped pull. And then I just pulled the front of the yoke. You can park right here, buddy. Good sheep. Good sheep. Grazing a new property. This is going to be an awesome summer spot. It's so cool under here. You can like feel the breeze being so much cooler than out on the gravel road that we came up to get here. It's like an oasis of trees out here. That's cool. Tree oasis. From Google Earth, it literally looks like it's a tree oasis in the middle of fields.